Hello everyone, it's that time of year again. It's summer, so watermelons are just coming out. So today we're gonna learn how to clean and cut a watermelon.
This is a watermelon.
So today, the first thing you wanna do with your watermelon, water your watermelon. There you go. So before I cut a watermelon, I like to get double a grocery bag and then tie it next to my station. All right, so to clean a watermelon, we're just gonna take some cold water and rinse it off. Give it a nice good rinse and scrub with your hands. You're just trying to get the excess pesticides off or any of the extra poison they're using. And you wanna just give a good rinse for any of the fruit. So when you cut through it, it doesn't drag the pesticides through it. And just a nice good rinse, and there you are. You got it there, and you're done. This is how I cut a watermelon. It's a lot different than anyone else I've ever seen. I've seen this done once in my life, but I love the way it's done. So we're gonna cut it in half. Listen to that crack. Summer, man, that's what it sounds like. Awesome. So we're gonna take it and we're gonna lay it flat. So the other side over here. And then we're gonna do something I call peeling it, but it's like just cutting the outside off. So you just cut the rind off and set it aside. And I like to cut a little bit into it. Watermelon to me is not white. I don't like the white part of watermelon. I like to get a little bit in. Not being super wasteful, just getting the best flavor out of the watermelon. You can see some of these pieces are still a little pink. Not quite the red flesh color. Awesome, you're just skinning it off. Break it, doesn't matter. You want to trim it up, get all those white pieces off as best you can. So we're going to take all the rind and put it into our bag now. And now it's freestyle. You do whatever you want. So I like to do chunk pieces just because that's how I eat watermelon. I eat it in bite-sized pieces, like 1 inch by 2 inches. So we're going to go in, we're just going to make our cuts. You're going to go one way. And then turn it, keep it together, go the other way. And this makes the spears that you'll see around during the summer. And my sister really likes these, but she can take these, and then you got the spears, which are really great. But if you don't want that, then you just take one of your lines, you pull it down, and push this aside. Keeping it together makes it a lot easier to cut. So I try to keep it together as best as I can. But you can take a side and then you just make your chunks. So however big you want to eat your watermelon, that's how you want to cut it. So I'm gonna pull this next line out. Lay it down. And then cut that. Awesome. Next line. And honestly, if you get to a flat edge like this, if you can keep it together, it's kind of tricky. Let's see if we can. You can just lay it all flat and then cut like a pro. Not really, like a student, yes. And then you can just cut pieces like this. And then you're done. Oh my goodness. I love watermelon. This is my favorite food on planet Earth. God is good. Thank you so much for watching our videos. If you want to check out our previous video, you can click right here. If you want to see a playlist, you can check it out right here. And if you want to subscribe, it should be right about here.